back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be on a Toyota Camry. So this is actually a returning client, and this is one of the mods I actually want to do to my Camry before I sold it. Lucky enough, the client was getting these stuff put on, and I offered to install them to help make a video for you guys. So we're actually going to be installing a strut tower, strut tower bar from Brace One. So literally I wanted to do the same thing to my Camry, and let me put this down. So literally it braces on to the strut tower and provides rigid reinforcement. I never ridden a car with it, so they say that it helps with the rigidity during the turns and the handling of the vehicle, and it adds a little aesthetic red bar on top. Again, it's made from Brace One. Been following them for a minute. They make it for a couple cars, but today's installation is going to be on this Toyota Camry. So this is the Camry that actually sold my my stocks. He has the MagnaFlow exhaust in there. He also took my stock XSE exhaust and my diffuser. We've done a couple videos with this car. Good guy, good client, and I'm always offered to help him because he's a good guy. Next video we're gonna do actually the intake, the K&N, is it K&N? AEM intake, cold air intake. So it'll be really cool to install that also. But let's focus on that. We'll start by breaking the so it's 916. I don't know what it is millimeters wise, but if it fits, we'll take it off, and then we'll just install it.
They're not really on tight, which is good. Break the bars, and this should be the first, the three outer ones. This one on the back does not get touched, because this one has 3 points.
So literally, you slide it onto the bolts, and you put the bolts back on. So then now, after you mount them on, now you just tighten them.
You don't have to too hard. You want on that side. So remember, this holds in the strut tower for suspension. So you want it to be snug and loose. I gotta hurry up. That's about it. Back side is on.
Before you're done, make sure you tighten this bolt, and now it will be playing. This one has an Allen key on one side, and a wrench on the other side. Yeah, hold on, I can't see it. So I'll use a wrench on this one. Yeah, that's on there. There we go. So strut tower is on. It's on really good here. Like I said, 3 mounting points on both sides, and then you tighten these bolts, because if not, this will be loose. Oh yeah, it's not going nowhere. Wow, brace one did a really good one. I love the bright red. Kind of goes with his theme too. It came out really good. Very simple install. Gives it good looks, and then also the handling that I'm sure has been tested or whatnot, but it's a client's car, I'm not gonna drive it. But really good quality. I see the welds here. It looks good. It's been powder coated. You can tell it's powder coated or painted or whatever. Looks really good. And that pretty easy install. It's about to rain. Pretty easy install. One of the last videos I try to do for the Camry group. Hopefully there'll be other stuff I could do to any of these cars. But I'll have to have a client do it, so I don't have my Camry no more. But yeah, I'm actually gonna finish this video, and we're gonna start in the next video with the intake. And so stay tuned for that one. Probably be dropped the following week because of all the editing and whatnot. But pretty much yeah, shout out to Brace One. They did a pretty good job on the strut tower. Okay, it looks great from far away too. But thank you guys for all the support. Follow my IG for a lot of other projects, a lot of variety of other cars. We do have another new project car that's on the channel, so check that out. Stay tuned for that. We'll be doing a video for, I believe, Clean Culture Daytona. I'm not sure if it's gonna be before or after this, but just stay tuned for that on our channel. Once again, guys, thank you for all the support. On to the next one.